So you welcome back to my channel. The last class was a very good one, and then I have so many comments from you guys, and it's really an impressive one. So today we are going to another topic, which is knowing the right niche for your YouTube channel. So many YouTubers have these issues of choosing the right niche on YouTube. So today we're going to be going to what we call choosing a profitable niche. Choosing a profitable niche. To what I have here in a very brief way, I have in my course here, I have many people struggle with picking the right niche, and which is very right. There are so many people, they always struggle to get the right niche that they want to be doing on YouTube. YouTube is like a market, and then so many people are on YouTube to get what they really want. I mean, solution to any problem that they have. If you choose the wrong niche, you struggle to get views, and making money will be very hard. And that's just it. If you are doing the wrong niche, it will be very hard for you to monetize your channel and then to get money on YouTube. So when we talk about niche, someone will ask me, what is niche? Niche is simply a specific topic or category your YouTube channel focus on. We have so many niche that you can focus on. Instead of making random video about everything, your channel should have a clear focus. For example, some people do tech review, others teach fitness, and some share personal finance tips. This is more specific in major categories of all these niche that I've made mention. Think of YouTube as a big market. If you are selling everything, anybody will not patronize your store. But if you are selling a particular product, people will come to you to buy that particular product for their daily needs. Now, the 3 rules of choosing a profitable niche. And the very number one that I love so much is pick a niche you enjoy so much. A niche that you personally, as a content creator, you enjoy it so much. You will be creating a lot of videos, so you choose a topic you are passionate about. Oh, maybe you are good in relationship talk, you are good in buying and selling finance talk, tech review, you are good in cryptocurrency talk, graphic design, and many others like that. Choose the one that you are passionate about it. Then the second rule is make sure there is demand. When there is demand, there should be supply. The niche that you are doing, is it what people are really demanding? Is it not that, oh, what you are doing, people are not demanding it? People will not search about it. And search engine optimization will not even rank your video on YouTube. But if you are doing what people are demanding, currently, then it will make the YouTube search engine optimization to locate your video and bring up your video to people when they search for it on YouTube. And then the rule number 3, which is choose a niche that makes money. Choose a niche that makes money. Some niche attract high advertisers, while others don't. For example, a channel about personal finance or real estate can earn a lot per 1,000 views. But a channel about funny memes may not take much profit. To check if a niche is profitable, search for channels in that niche and see if ads and sponsorship or products are run on it. It is not all niche that gets a good pay. It is not all niche that gets a good pay. Finance, technology, fitness, and many others are good niche that will give you good money on YouTube. And then I want to tell you about another thing in this lesson that we have today. Examples of profitable niche. To help you, I have a 5 good niche I can advise you to go for. Number 1 is finance and investing. Number 2 is tech reviews. That is, you are reviewing new gadgets that comes out every year, every month, like phone and many others, PlayStation, all these gadgets that we all have all around. Then number 3 is health and fitness. From weight loss to home workouts, this niche is always in demand in the market. And then we have the number 4, which is online business and side hustle, which my channel is also into. That's my niche. And then the last one is education and tutorial. Education and tutorial. So in this, I hope you should be able to get a right niche for your channel. And then I want you to put it in mind that every of these niche are good. I am here to help you out. You can join my premium YouTube class, and then you can see the link right in the description of this video. Please kindly do that and click on that link. And then also, if you find this video helpful, please kindly like this video, drop a comment, and then help to share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. You are going to see me in the lesson 3 of this master's YouTube class. Thank you.